Hi, and welcome to this edition of the Telit Coffee Connection series. My name is Martino Turcato with the product management team here at Telit, and I'm the head of software. Today, I will be covering Lightweight M2M versus MQTT, comparing solutions for your IoT field devices. And I'll try to help you understand the differences between them and choose which one is best for your application. Lightweight M2M and MQTT are two leading IoT protocols. They are both open standards. The Lightweight M2M communication protocol is being developed and is maintained by the Open Mobile Alliance. MQTT was first created and introduced by IBM and now managed by Oasis, and both of them have quite lively ecosystems. But before diving into the technology aspects, let's consider first what you expect for your IoT deployment. For sure, you want to minimize the costs and maximize the efficiency. Quickly scale as needs change. You also need robust device management tools to support the remote configuration, the monitoring, and the software updates. And of course, you want to protect your technology investment on the long term. Lightweight M2M and MQTT at first glance might look very similar and perform same functions, but there are some significant differences, not only in the way they are implemented and the features they offer. Lightweight M2M is based on a RESTful model, and that's been initially designed with resource-constrained devices in focus. And for this reason, for example, it has become very successful and popular in the cellular IoT space and many others. Lightweight M2M is also comprised of a rich device management structure on top of the transport layer, with a variety of ready-to-use standard objects, connectivity monitoring, statistics, remote device actions such as firmware over the air and software management. And users also have access to the object registry, which is a public collection of reusable resources for developers. So, for example, if another developer has already created an object for the device and the information that you want to collect, you can use it instead of spending time reinventing the same wheel. Lightweight M2M supports also different formats for the payload, and most importantly, the security model is defined as part of the standard. MQTT is based on a publish-subscribe model. It's very easy to implement, simple and robust, and that's been used successfully in many different solutions and projects. But MQTT does not offer any type of device management support and utilizes a more proprietary approach to these features that are usually vendor specific, limiting the interoperability and portability of solutions. Essentially, Lightweight M2M provides a full stack for a complete solution, whereas MQTT is more about delivering transport for exchanging data. On the efficiency aspect, the two protocols have substantial differences. So I'm referring especially to battery-powered devices or devices using a metered connection where every single transmitted byte counts. MQTT runs on TCP, which is relatively heavy in some scenarios. Lightweight M2M typically rides on top of CoAP and UDP. MQTT-SN has partially solved the efficiency issue, but still suffering from the limitations we discussed about the lack of an object model and the standardized interfaces. So you can definitely think of Lightweight M2M not only as a communication protocol, but as a set of interfaces and object model that allows interoperability between solutions. At Telit, we have been following Lightweight M2M for many years, and we've been one of the first companies to recognize the potential and integrate it into our solutions. And Telit One Edge, our suite of software and tools that simplify the IoT development and deployment, is the most remarkable example. So that was a quick review of Lightweight M2M versus MQTT. If you want to learn more about Lightweight M2M and its ability to enable efficient remote management, you can visit my blog at Telit website or the One Edge page. And if you'd like to put a test One Edge, you can request a Bravo evaluation kit. And please Feel free to reach out and schedule a meeting with us. Thanks for joining today, and see you soon.